Hey there, friends. Got a SpongeBob reaction for you with Nature Pants. SpongeBob with nature. Oh, that's my kind of nature. Hello. Oh. This is like taking a droog and then all of a sudden the patty turns into a jellyfish. It happens every day. They all popped alive. SpongeBob, are you okay? No, Mr. Krabs, I'm not okay. I'm a jellyfish. Oh, that is cursed right there. All right, time to zap Squidward. I guess he wants to be free like a jellyfish. That smile.
You're burning me money!
Mr. Krabs, what do we do?
Here, use this!
Does he not know how to use a fire extinguisher? I love that there's a fire underwater, by the way. Oh.
SpongeBob, come into me office.
That is so cute, a tiny little SpongeBob. He's like a burnt up little patty. I love it.
Oh, boy.
Well,
This is the fourth time this week I've had to scrape you off of something.
Fourth time?
I've been thinking.
We need to get you thinking.
How many
about
times has he
No
been
offense,
thinking
Mr.
about
Krabs, I've been
jellyfish?
thinking about giving up my cold industrial life in favor of a more natural and free life among the jellyfish.
So he wants to be among the, he wants to turn into a jellyfish and go the entire time. Okay. He wants to give up this dull, boring life. I get it though.
SpongeBob, you wouldn't last even one day in the wild.
Wow.
This is your natural habitat. This is your wide open range.
The clopping of the horses.
And this,
The fact that it's like, oh yes, this is your natural habitat. This dull, boring kitchen.
oh, this is your golden scepter with which you rule. Well, that's better than nasty old jellyfish, right, SpongeBob?
You don't talk about nasty old jellyfish to SpongeBob.
Can two last more than one day?
Dang, he
I'll show him.
dipped.
Barnacles.
Oh.
SpongeBob, wait! Ah! Oh, he'll be back, all right. He'll be back.
Dang, I can't believe that. I thought that SpongeBob loves being a fry kick, then all of a sudden he really just quit up and okay.
And Squidward, I want you to have my can opener.
And I thought this friendship would never pay off.
Are you sure you want to give me this mayonnaise?
Are you kidding me? Like you're giving up your cold life and you're giving Squidward a can opener and Patrick a jar of mayonnaise? What about that big alarm clock?
It's all yours.
But these old phone books?
What?
All yours, old friend.
Old phone books?
There is one more thing I
Oh,
want you to
reliable.
have.
Oh.
Reliable!
Howdy, y'all!
Hey, Sandy. But man, he kept that up in the case and everything. I mean, I don't think we've seen Old Reliable before. I remember when SpongeBob went jellyfishing, he like connected his jellyfishing rod and all that.
Hey, SpongeBob,
Net. His
you having a
jellyfishing
garage
net.
sale?
No, Sandy, I'm giving up my material possessions to live in the wild with the jellyfish.
SpongeBob, of all
I
the
wonder
crazy
why he
schemes,
wants
why
to
would
do
you wanna
that.
live among the jellyfish? They're cold and mean and none too bright.
None too
Oh,
bright.
Sandy. That's exactly the response I would expect from someone who lives the sham of a life I once lived.
The fact that he's talking this way, like he's gonna be free amongst the jellyfish. Like, what about Gary? Yeah, what about Gary?
I'm gonna prove that I don't need all this stuff to be happy. Maybe someday you'll wise up and join me.
So he's up and going.
I won't be needing these. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
This boy be naked with shoes on.
Off his pants.
I'll give him a week.
I'll give him 11 minutes.
11 I love that 11 minutes is the length of an episode. I'll give him this whole episode. Alright, SpongeBob me nude.
I'm home!
Sponge nude me Bob.
I'm home!
You don't have to show the you don't have to censor it. He's a sponge. He's not hiding anything.
Brothers and sisters, wait for me!
I'm naked like you.
Buzz, buzz! Okay, I'm here.
Yeah, I love the fact that when SpongeBob is running, you can see all Sponge, but they still have to censor close up, I guess?
Wait, I just got here.
What, we can't see the Bob?
Jellyfish instincts tell me to go that way.
In your ear, bro? Are you trying to feel the wind in your ear? Wait, they eat? I didn't know they have mouths.
Wow.
It's grass! We've been told to touch grass, not eat the grass. Wait, that's kelp, right?
This is the life.
Oh, you're starting to regret it now?
Buzz, buzz. Buzz to you. Buzz, buzz. Nice current today.
Like that. You can imagine being a jellyfish being like, who the heck is this?
Hey, what's the buzz?
He's showing the full Bob out.
I'm Jelly Bob, and you are?
Oh!
Nice to meet you.
Oh! Still think being a jellyfish is cool? Oh, what? Why are they having a picnic out here?
Krabby Patty.
But wait, I want to know, who made the Krabby Patties, though? Because, you know, we know that Squidward can't cook. SpongeBob can.
There he is.
Unless
Patrick.
Sandy made
Say
them.
your line.
Say your line.
Thank you, Sandy. I would love one. Take Patty. Too bad SpongeBob isn't here. These are his favorites.
Great acting, Patrick.
I wish he'd come home. Take a bite.
Take bite. Stop reading script out loud, Patrick.
I can't do it. SpongeBob, come back.
Aww.
I'm not
Oh,
getting home.
that's censor.
Sandy misses you.
Aww.
Even Squidward misses you.
You sure about that? We knew what happened in Home Sweet Pineapple. Squidward was excited to see SpongeBob leave.
I'm happy here. This is my home now.
As the grass censors my Bob. He is holding on to that ground. I mean, do
Hey,
you...
everybody, I'm back.
The jellyfish are like, oh no, not him again. Like, do you really want to live amongst the bees of the sea?
I think I'm getting the hang of this.
Oh. Hello? Patrick?
What are you doing?
If I can't have you as
I don't
a
like this
friend,
music.
I'm gonna make you a trophy.
Hello?
I even picked out this nice jar for you.
Not the jar! Patrick, do not put SpongeBob in the jar! Patrick has cracked!
Patrick, go home. I'm a jellyfish now.
And what happens to jellyfish, SpongeBob? They get caught! That's a snail? That's adorable. Oh my goodness.
Nice to see you.
Like, the fact that it's only been a couple of minutes. Like, let's say it's been like 5 minutes since this happened. Patrick can't go like a single minute without SpongeBob.
You're gonna look good on my mantle. SpongeBob.
In my jar, SpongeBob! Bro, put some pants on. Oh!
Gotcha now, SpongeBob.
No, I love that. I love that Patrick is a starfish. He can do that, though. That's clever. Oh! It's like one of those freaking horror games. You're in a safe zone, so they can't get you.
Okay. So this is the way it's gonna be.
Aww. Like, the fact that... Poor Patrick, though, I get it. Like, one day you got your best friend and he wants to be naked amongst the jellyfish all of a sudden. Well, SpongeBob isn't really naked, he's got his shoes on. He broke all reliable?
Well, that's over.
Dang.
Jellyfish matters.
I love how it said drip.
Ah, my jellyfish brethren are returning.
It must be good.
Greetings, comrades.
Oh! What'd you expect? You think they're gonna welcome a stranger in their hive? You still think being a jellyfish is cool? Dang, this dark, dang cave? Oh.
Jellyfish sure is fun. Buzz. Buzz. Buzz.
I mean, at least here, he's not gonna get smashed by a rock like a spider by Patrick. Remember that? Oh, spiders! How are you freezing? You got your shoes on.
Hey. Ooh, I'm itchy. Itchy.
Oh.
Why am I so itchy?
The bumps? Oh!
Poison sea urchins.
Poison?
Itch, ow, ow.
Thanks, SpongeBob, for free, but also, yeah, you'd still think being a jellyfish is epic, SpongeBob? Yeah, but they're poisonous, that stinks.
Buzz, 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 buzz,
You can go back home, SpongeBob.
buzz, buzz.
And also prove Squidward right because, you know, he's talking about 11 minutes, the length of an episode. If the episode's almost over, Squidward could win.
Buzz, 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 buzz.
Why are they out on the table? Ew, I don't want to go there anymore if they hold out their Krabby Patties like that.
Sandy, Buzz.
Tuna, will you calm down? SpongeBob is crying and you're laughing about cold, nasty Krabby Patties on an overnight table? Ill?
Buzz, 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 buzz.
Squidward's in his room,
What
like,
have I done?
I hear
I had a
him.
great life and friends, and I gave all of that up.
Oh, were they waiting?
The best. I made a huge mistake. Please forgive me.
The fact that did they just really wait there like, oh, we knew you give up. Yeah, it's bad out there, SpongeBob.
Quit your blubbering and have a Krabby Patty.
Don't
Out of
mind
my
if I
pocket.
And I'll see you at work first thing tomorrow morning.
Put some pants on, my dude.
Do us all a favor.
Thank you, Squidward.
do. If I do. Ta-da.
Oh. And Gary too. No, but that is sweet though. It just goes to show that, yeah, you could live out in the wild, but do you really want to?
Could we please stop this?
No, keep it going.
Patrick Itchy!
Oh. Oh wait, the poison sea urchins, right?
It is great to be home.
The poison sea urchins, they're not completely off SpongeBob yet, but I can imagine they're like inside of him. Since, you know, pretty much anything can get inside of him. Remember the plankton episode? But That stinks. Coming home and it's like, welcome home. Itchy, 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 you know? I don't have arms. If I'm itchy, I'm gonna go crazy. But at the same time, seeing Gary just crawl along the floor, he's itchy too. But it just goes to show, yeah, we could live out in the nature, in the wild if we want to, but do you really want to when life is more civilized, that you have your electronics, you have your stuff, you have everything you need is at home? You could live out in the wild, but the wild ain't fun. Go out there, touch the grass, get a tick, get bit, get stung. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not impossible to live in the wild. It's just don't give up life right away for it. And SpongeBob literally just quit his job right there and then because he wants to be a jellyfish. He thought it'd be easy, he gets stung. I mean, yeah, jellyfish don't seem fun. Also, I'm surprised that SpongeBob wants to do that after that Jellyfish Jam episode where, you know, all those jellyfish stayed in his house, and it's like, I'm surprised SpongeBob still likes jellyfishing after all of that. Especially since they sting you, it's nuts. But also, I gotta say, Patrick stole the episode. It's only been a few minutes. Patrick said! And then he tries to take SpongeBob for himself and put him in a jar. It's like, it's only been a few minutes, Patrick, and you already broke down and cracked. It's nuts. But it is the end of the episode, an 11-minute episode. Squidward was right. He gave SpongeBob 11 minutes, and he came back. But the fact that they were waiting there, they just knew it would happen. Like, SpongeBob did this before. Like, this isn't the first time he's done this. Like, they knew that he would come back. Crazy episode, though. Patrick really stole the episode, and I really enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the reaction. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment about what you think, and subscribe if you haven't done so. I'll catch you next time.